Hi, this is the Alcatel One T10 Smart 2020 and I'll show you how to turn off Google Assistant on this device. So first launch Google application and then tap here to the right upper corner. So after that just tap to the settings and find here Google Assistant section. After that scroll down to the general options and you'll see here Google Assistant switcher. Just tap once on the switcher and tap to turn off. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.